Hello guys! Today, ang ituturo ko sa inyo is all about solving problems involving volumes of spheres. Okay, let's start. So first, we define what is a sphere. A sphere is a set of all points in a space equidistant from a given point called center. So we have here a figure kung ano yung sphere. So this is a sphere, so para lang siyang bilog. Pero in real life, ang sphere, ang example niya is a ball, okay? A basketball, a volleyball, a football, okay? So lahat yon bilog, sphere siya. Kasi 3D na siya eh. So, sphere siya. So, meron tayo ditong center, and then meron tong set of all points na equidistant sa ating center. So, pag sinabi nating equidistant, equal yung kanilang distansya. Okay? So, meron lang tayo ditong center and meron tayong radius. And also, a radius of a sphere is a segment from the center to a point on the sphere. So, as we said earlier, meron tayong center ng sphere and then equidistant daw yung mga points natin dito sa space ng ating sphere. And then, syempre, yung radius from the center to any point ng ating sphere. Okay? And then, to find the volume of a sphere, we use the formula V is equals to 4/3 pi r cube. So, ang unknown lang natin sa formula is just the radius. And as you can see naman sa diagram natin, talagang yung radius lang naman yung makukuha mo dyan. So, yun lang din yung kailangan natin to find yung volume. So, para maintindihan nyo on how we solve yung volume ng ating sphere, so let's give some examples. So, example number 1, find the volume of the sphere. So, we have here yung ating diagram with a radius of 9 cm dahil yun lang naman yung ating sukat, 9 cm. So, in finding the volume of the sphere, so we have the formula V is equals to 4/3 pi r cube. So, since yung ating r is 9 cm, we just substitute yung ating 9 cm sa r natin sa formula. So, we have here 4/3 and then yung pi is 3.14, approximately 3.14 yan. And then yung r natin is 9 cm and then cube natin siya. Okay? And then ngayon, we find kung ano yung 9 cube. So, we have here 4/3. Copy lang muna natin to. 3.14. And then, 9 cube is 9 times 9 times 9. So, 9 times 9 is 81. 81 times 9 is 729. This is 729. And then, yung cm, madidistribute din yung cube. So, magiging cm cube to. Okay? And then, we can multiply yung 4/3 sa 729 cm cube. And that will give us 972. So, copy natin yung 3.14 muna. This will give us 972. Copy din yung unit na cm cube. Okay? And then, multiplying this, you can use your calculator kasi may decimal na to. Or pwede nyo rin namang i-manual kung medyo masipag-sipag kayo. Okay? So, finally, the volume of our sphere is equals to approximate lang to kasi naka-decimal to. Yung pi natin, hindi naman siya eksaktong 3.14. So, the volume is approximately 3,052.08. Then, yung unit na cm cube. So, this is our answer for this example. Okay? So, tatandaan lang natin dito, syempre, unang-una yung formula. And then, substitute lang natin yung ating radius. So, yun lang naman yung mahalagang tandaan dito. Yung formula and then substitute. And kung paano tayo nagsasolve ng ating mga equation. Okay? Yung PEMDAS, kailangan alam nyo rin yun kung ano yung uunahin yung isolve. Okay? Ano yung uunahin yung isimplify. So, let's proceed to another example para mas maintindihan nyo yung ating lesson. So, example number 2, a model globe of a radius 14 cm is placed in an exhibition. What is the volume of that globe? So, binigay din yung radius ng ating globe which is 14 cm. So, to find the volume, we just substitute yung 14 cm sa ating R sa formula natin. So recall, our formula for the volume of a sphere is equals to 4/3 pi R cube. So substitute lang natin. So copy natin yung 4/3 and then yung pi is approximately 3.14. And then yung R natin, binanggit naman dito, radius 14 cm. So, lagay lang tayo dito, 14 cm and then cube. Okay, nag-substitute lang tayo ng R natin. And then, as katulad nung ginawa natin kanina, simplify muna natin yung 14 cube natin. Okay, and then copy muna natin to. So, 14 cube is what? So, 14 cube is equals to, medyo malaki na to, 2,744 cm cube. Okay? So, ito, medyo malaki na yung value niya. So, you can use your calculator para mas mabilis kasi malaking numbers na to. Okay? So, 4/3 times 3.14 times 2,744 cm cube. So, yun yung volume natin. So, this is times 4/3. Times 3.14. So, this will give us approximately 11,488.21. Then, copy natin yung unit na cm cube. So, this is the volume ng model globe sa exhibition. Okay? So, ganun lang siya. Formula-based lang tayo. And then, substitute ng ating radius. And then, proceed tayo sa pagsasolve. Okay? Follow natin palagi yung PEMDAS para hindi tayo malito. Okay? Malinaw ba yun? So, that's it for our video for today. I hope may natutunan kayo. And maraming salamat sa panonood.